In this video, I'll show you how to add environment variables in Netlify. First, open your web browser, go to the Netlify website, and sign into your account. Then open the site where you want to add environment variables. Next, click Site Configuration, then select Environment Variables from the Settings menu. This is where you can securely store API keys, database credentials, and other configuration values that your application needs. Now, click Add a Variable. Enter the variable name in the key field, then enter the corresponding value in the value field. Double-check that both fields are correct before saving the variable. After that, repeat the process for any additional environment variables your application requires. Once you've added all of your variables, save your changes. If your site has already been deployed, trigger a new deployment so your application can access the updated environment variables during the build process. Finally, wait for the deployment to finish and test your application to make sure everything is working correctly. If your app depends on the environment variables, it should now be able to access them without exposing sensitive information in your source code. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add environment variables in Netlify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.